Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the failed to decode packet error in Minecraft. This error usually happens when the game and server cannot properly read data, often due to version mismatch, mods, or corrupted network packets. First, restart Minecraft and just go ahead and try again, and also make sure the Minecraft version matches the server exactly. Since version differences are very common causes of packet loss, after that, just go to Options and go to Resource Pack. And here, make sure to remove any mods, shader, or resources pack temporarily and try again, because incompatible mods can break network data decoding. Also, check your internet connection and restart your router to refresh your network stability. Then try joining a different server to see if the issue is server-specific or happening everywhere. Finally, just go to any browser to your liking and make sure your Minecraft is updated to the latest version. This fixes any networking bugs. So the simple rule is when packets fail to decode, it is usually caused by version mismatch or mods, and using the same version with a clean setup usually fixes it, and that's it. We just learned how to fix the Minecraft failed to decode packet error by matching version, removing mods, checking internet, and updating Minecraft to the latest version. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.